Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you were new here, my name is Jeria. Be sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe. So in today's video I will be cooking some ackee and saltfish Jamaican style. So continue watching guys, and let's start this video. So that is it guys, my ackee and saltfish dish is all prepared, ready to serve, ready to eat. So I serve this with some roast breadfruit, and let me tell you something, it is so nice, it is so tasty. So if you enjoy this recipe guys, don't forget to leave a like, comment, share and also subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye.